Yo, got the new Homeika cordless vacuum. Oh, don't worry, it actually gets bigger than this. That's what she said. Hard to just one hand. Boom, look at that. Now it's a normal size vacuum. You ain't gotta worry about bending over, hurting your back. Ooh. Boy, you got head in your for that? Oh, wow. This was super easy too. Look at this. Taking a hold of rocks, taking all the salt. A bunch of salt in my office. Oh, it's not too loud either. You can hear me talking, can't you? Ooh. Looks real good. Look at that. Look at this, and you have a handheld one with a brush on it, so I can do my chairs. Nice and clean, my customers. Have this attachment for those hard to reach places. And I give you this mount, you can mount it right on the wall, stay organized, stay ready when you need it. Get you that new vacuum while it's on sale, super lightweight, easy to use, and it does a great job. Look how that it picked up. Click the link down below, guys. Bottom left shopping cart.